Sebenarnya, matahari itu berisik banget dan ini suara aslinya. Kalau suara bisa merambat di ruang hampa, suaranya matahari bakal sekeras mesin jet yang meledak non-stop 24 jam. Kita semua bakal tulis seketika cuman karena dengar suara matahari dan ini suara asli
Now if you're trying to break my heart, it's working cause you know that should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me.